Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ayush Khanna and we are watching our channel Ayush Khanna classes. So, in this lecture, in this lecture, I'm going to start cash flow statement. Okay, cash flow statement. This is applicable for both CA intermediate new course and CA Ipcc old course. Okay, let's wait for some people to join. Accounting standard 3, cash flow statement. Yeah, I'm waiting for some so that we can start with the lecture. Okay. Hi, Hari. Now let's start. Or shall we wait for some students to join us? Cash flow statement. See, first point is that our cash flow statement is our accounting standard number 3. What it deals with, it is mostly based on the it is based on the cash concept of the profit, cash concept of the profit. Okay. Secondly, what it includes. It includes basically the information relating to it includes the information relating to changes in cash and cash equivalents of an enterprise. Relating to the information uh, of cash and cash equivalents of an entity or enterprise. Say that for 3 activities. The cash flow activities are mainly divided into two type of flows of two types of inflow and cash flow. Sorry, not two types, of three types. I suppose to say input, inflow and outflow of cash activities that are operating activities, then investing activities, and the third is financial activities. I hope you're all clear with these basics. And as per accounting standard number 3, as per accounting standard number 3, what does cash include? What does cash include? The cash shall include the cash in hand. I hope you all are noting these points side by side. The students who are joined, cash in hand, Demand deposits. Demand deposits with banks. With banks and cash equivalents. And cash equivalents. Okay. Then, what are the methods of cash flow statement? There are two type of methods, that is direct method and indirect method. We will study both in our syllabus, direct method and indirect method. Now, what's the difference between direct method and indirect method? In direct method, there is no profit and loss given in the question. There's no profit and loss of the entity. Okay, an indirect method, there is profit and loss of an entity. Profit or loss of an entity. Now, let's take up an example. For example, there is a firm named Messrs. ABC and Company. Now, it's not a company. Okay, it's not a company. So it's just a firm. It uh, it goes to a chartered accountant who is in practice and asks him to prepare the profit and loss account, and asks him to prepare the not profit and loss account, and asks him to prepare the cash flow statement of ABC and Company. Now, the chartered accountant says that your CFS will not be prepared as it is not required by the Companies Act, and though you are not a company, and is also not allowed by uh, accounting standard number 3. Okay, accounting standard number 3. It is also not allowed by AS3. But it says that you need to prepare. The owners of ABC and company says that you have to prepare the CFS. So, thus, there's a CA. The CA, what does what do CAs do in this case? Just, just a second. What does CA does in this case? He makes a direct CFS of ABC and company. He prepares a direct ABC. He prepares a direct CFS of ABC without the net profits. All the cash transactions are posted by him in the in the cash flow statement of ABC Limited. Okay. Now, next thing. Now, next thing. I'm going to start with the questions of accounting standard 3. Okay. I'm sharing the link of accounting standard 1 and accounting standard 4. in the comment box. Okay, kindly do watch it. Accounting standard 1 and accounting standard 4. Okay, now you can see a thing on your screens. Yeah, if you want to purchase this book, you may uh, comment your email ID and I'll send you the book and all the payment details of where you have to make the payment. Okay, now these are some theory questions. Firstly, now firstly, I'm preparing this book of all the content for both the groups of both the courses, that is old course and new course. Okay, this book is relevant for both the courses. It also the context it also includes some theory questions which will clear your concepts too. Question number 12 is the theory question you can do by yourself. Question number 13. Yeah, I'm going to show you question number 13. See, X Limited purchased debentures of rupees 10 lakhs of Y Limited, which are redeemable within 3 months. Okay, how will you show this item as per AS3 while preparing the cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2015? I think it is simple. It should be shown in investing activities, cash flow from investing activities. Okay, you can read the answer if you purchase the book. Now, question number 14. Let's start with it, the one sum of AS14. You can comment your email ID so that I can send you the book in PDF form and the payment details. Question number 14. Following is the cash flow abstract of Alpha Limited for the year 31st March 2015. It's just a abstract of cash flow statement. Okay. Now we are given with the opening balance of cash 10,000 in bank, 70,000 share capital issued, 5 lakh collection on trade payables on trade receivables. 350,000 and sale of fixed assets 70,000 and many more payments and many more outflows. Okay, now what it says, prepare a cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2015 in accordance with accounting standard 3. Okay, now let's start with the question. Sorry, just a second. I'm on question number 14. If you want the book, you can please comment your email ID. I'll provide you with the book in PDF format, and I'll provide you the book in PDF format. Okay, now let's start. Question number 14. Cash flow statement of the company. Cash flow statement of the company. Those who are just joining right now, you can just start the video from the starting, or just comment if you want the initial notes, and the initial notes that I have that's given to you, which I've given just right now. You can comment down, and if you want the book which from where from where I'm solving the questions, you can comment your email ID. I'll send you the detail, all the details of the book and the payment. Okay, I'm just waiting for you. Okay, I'm starting with the question. Okay, I'm starting with the question. Firstly, cash from cash from investing activities. Sorry, not investing, from operating activities. Cash from operating activities. Now, just look at the question again. See, there is no profit and loss account given. There is no adjustment for any profits. So, we'll assume it to be the direct method. Okay, we'll assume it to be a direct method. Now, what will come under investing activities? See, firstly, collection from account trade receivables. Hmm. Collections from debtors. In short, from trade receivables, or you can say 3,50,000. Then, uh, then the entity uh, is doing payments, as you can see on the board, or as you can see on your screens. Payment for account payables, or you can say trade payables in short. Just for now, 90,000 as salaries and wages, 25,000, and payment of overheads, 15,000. So we'll transfer it in operating activities, as it is related to operation of an entity. 90,000, 25,000, and 15,000. A payment made to trade payables, 90,000. Salaries and wages, 25,000. And overheads, 15,000. Total comes to be 90,000. plus 40,000 or 30,000. I think nearly 2,20,000. Yeah, 2,20,000 is cash from operating activities. Okay, cash from operating activities. Next thing, then we'll be making finance investing activities. Okay, investing activities. As you can see on your screens, investing activities, it involves sale of fixed assets 70,000 and fixed assets acquired 4 lakh. That means that means what? Cash from investing activities, sale of fixed assets. It is an inflow of cash 70,000. So it will be added, and uh, purchase of fixed assets. Purchase of fixed assets is outflow of cash. That is 70,000. Okay, don't get confused. 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 30,000 will be the cash from investing activities. Cash from investing activities. Next thing, now it says that the debentures redeemed rupees 50,000. Debentures is redeemed rupees 50,000. Bank loan repaid 2,50,000. Bank loan repaid 2,50,000. Taxation 55,000. So we missed a point in operating activities. Firstly, tax paid 55,000. Okay, 2,20,000 minus 55,000. 165,000 is the amount here. Here is the correct amount of cash from operating activities. Okay, next point. Bank loan repaid 2,50,000. Operating activities. Oh, sorry, not operating, it's financing activities. Dividends, financing activities. Debenture redeemed, financing activities. And the rest is done. So, cash from financing activities, dividends was of how much? Not dividends 1 lakh, dividends paid. So then we got debentures, debentures 50,000. Then we have uh, bank loan 2,50,000. Bank loan 2,50,000. It will be 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, negative, and the cash from all activities. From all activities, that will be 1,65,000 uh, minus 3,30,000 minus 4 lakhs. 5,65,000 here is a total in negative. Okay, now here we skipped one point of shares issued, of this shares issued. Let me bring it on the screen. Yeah, this share capital was left. So 5 lakh for share capital. So then in the final answer, you can you have to add the opening balance of cash, and you'll get the closing balance of cash and bank. Okay, I hope you got it. No, you can see the next question on your screens. Question number 15. It's your homework. I hope you will match this. Okay, I'll be discussing question number 16. If you've got any doubt till here, you can just comment. I will be solving it. Okay, uh, let me tell you a thing. Let me tell you a thing. Uh, just comment on your email ID. You will be getting three books of what? One accounts, one MCQ book of tax, one MCQ book of tax of both GST and income tax. Okay, and one book of advance accounts. Just comment down your email ID. I'll give you all the details of the book. After you make the payment, you'll get the book. You'll get the books. Okay. If anyone have any doubt till here, you are free to ask. I'm waiting for the comments. If anyone have got any type of doubt till now, Okay, no doubt. Good. Okay, I'll be starting with question number 16. You can see it on your book, on your screen. Okay, you can see it on your screen. Question number 16. We are given with the liabilities and assets. It says that a machine costing 80,000, estimated depreciation based on 24,000, was sold for 40,000. Okay, the provision for depreciation on 1st April 2014 was 2 lakh and 31st March was 3 lakh 20,000. Okay, the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2015 was 3 lakh 60,000. C. In question number 16, if anyone is getting any type of doubt, you can comment it. I'll be there for the solving. Question number 16. Let me change this for me. Question number 16. Cash flow statement. Okay, now see. Cash flow statement. Firstly, have a look on the question 2. We are given with profits of 3 lakh 60,000 rupees. Okay, profits 3 lakh 60,000. Firstly, we are starting with CFOA. Net profits 3 lakh 60,000. Now we have to prepare a working note for what? Working note for a plant and machinery. We can say fixed assets as the case may be. Working notes. And second one is provision for depreciation account. Now just have a look on the question again. See, the opening balance of uh, uh, plant and machinery is 6 lakh 40,000 and 4 lakh 40,000 rupees. Okay, two balance brought down in case of plant and machinery would be 6 lakh 40,000 plus 2 lakhs. Why 2 lakhs? Tell me why 2 lakhs? Anyone? Why we are adding 2 lakh rupees to balance brought down 6 lakhs 40,000 plus 2 lakhs 8 lakh 40,000. And here by balance brought down 2 lakh rupees. Here would be to balance carried down. How much would be the amount? Just have a look. 4 lakh 40,000 plus 3 lakh 20,000. Okay, 3 lakh 20,000 here and by balance carried down 320 plus 440. 320 and 440. 7 lakh 60,000. 7 lakh 60,000. Now, uh, now, what the thing is, I hope you have read the question. Here, we will come to fixed assets, or as the case may be, 24,000. By bank, the sales amount, what was the sales amount? Sales amount was 40,000. 40,000. By provision for depreciation, 24,000. Then, by profit and loss account, that is loss on sale. Loss on sale. Loss on sale would be, as you can see on your screens, would be 80,000 was the cost minus 24,000 the equipment depreciation and was sold for 40,000. So 80,000 minus 24,000 minus 40,000. 16,000 is the loss. 16,000 is the loss. You can see on your screens. 16,000. I hope the working notes is clear to you, and fortunately it also matched. The working note also matched. This account has been closed. Now we have to close the PFT account. The balancing figure would be here by depreciation. It would be 3,44,000 and 2 lakhs. Oh, sorry, not 2 lakhs. 1,44,000 is the depreciation. I think there is no new point in the question. There is no new point in the question which can't be solved. I think I missed something. Just a second. Oh, okay. I hope you can solve the rest of the question if you purchase the book. There's no new point. Uh, which questions includes the new points? I'll explain. I'm going to tell you so that you can practice those questions by yourself. By yourself. Okay? Let me show some questions. Question number 15. It was done, I suppose. Question number 16 is also done. Question number 17. I'm going to explain you. Yeah. Question number 17. Have a look on the adjustments. I think no new point is there. Yeah, but the point is for the previous year dividends. For the previous year dividends of rupees 1 lakh, it will be paid in the current year, and the dividend for the current year, that is of 2015. That is for the year ended 2015. Will be provided in the net profit. Will be provided in the net profit. Why? Because every current year, the dividend is declared, and it is paid in the next financial year, and it is paid in the next financial year. So, as per the relevant provisions of the company law, 1 lakh will be paid. 1 lakh amount will be transferred to financing activities, and the dividend payable for 2015 will be provided for in the net profits of the current year. Okay, and provision for taxation. Opening and closing balance is given. We are provided in the third point that rupees 50,000 was paid towards the income tax during the year. That means we'll make a account here, provision for taxation account, provision for taxation account. By balance brought down. How much was the balance? By balance brought down. 70,000 and 1 lakh and 50,000 was paid. Okay. 70,000, 1 lakh. It will be two bank, 50,000. And by profit and loss account, 80,000. Again, uh, net profits, and it will be deducted from our operating activities. Okay, I hope till here you got all the points. solve these further questions by yourself, as in the upcoming November 18 attempt. Sorry, in the upcoming November 19 attempt, I'm expecting questions. These questions are more than enough to score well in this topic, and I want you to solve these questions. And if you have any problem, you can comment freely at any time. I'll solve it. I'll explain there now. Okay. I hope you got it from question number 14 to question number 22. There are approximately 9-10 questions of this chapter which I've prepared. I've not uh, I've not included many questions because all the type of questions were similar. So I think there's no need to solve again and again the same type of questions. Okay. Uh, but if you want, you can refer your study material. You can refer your RTP, MTP. Okay, for further questions of CFS. Easy topic है. It can be done, and those go and it can and it is a scoring topic. Okay, so I'm finishing off my lecture right now. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.